All right. Hi, ninth period. I'm sorry I'm not there with you this afternoon. Happy Friday. Today is your last day of research for the Amendment Monument Project. We've been spending all week in the LC and in our classroom doing our research. Today is the last day in class to work. So set a goal for yourself that you either finish before the end of class or you're going to have homework over the weekend to get it done. Few last things to remember as I have been checking in your notes over the course of the past few days. Please remember to use bullet points and not paragraphs. If you think back to yesterday, we looked at an example of someone's notes from years past where they just put an entire paragraph of information, and we specifically, ninth period yesterday, had a conversation about how that was really overwhelming and would actually require you to sort of research your research. So I'm trying to prevent that from happening for you. So please make sure that you are using bullet points, not paragraphs. That's number one. Number two, what I've noticed after looking at a lot of yours last night is that a lot of you are not keeping track of your sources at this point. So please make sure that you are tracking your sources so that when you go back to do your Noodle tools, bibliographies, it's a lot easier. And then the last thing is at the bottom of your research notes is your actual rubric that I'm going to be checking your research notes on Monday with. So use it as a tool. It's been on the board in the LC every day this week. It's also at the bottom of your notes. It's also attached to the actual assignment for your research notes on Schoology. So please make sure that you use it as a tool. Last thing, if you are done by the end of class today, please make sure that you click the Submit Assignment button on Schoology so that I can actually grade your research notes. If you don't do that, I can't give you those points, and on Monday morning, you're going to spend time waiting for me to check you in before you can move to the next step. So it helps class really move along a lot more efficiently if you get that done. Again, these are due before class on Monday, so please make sure that when you're done, you click that Submit Assignment button, which requires you, by the way, to go back into the assignment on Schoology to click. You can't just do it from your drive. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. I am available this weekend, and I look forward to checking in all of your notes. Have a great, safe weekend. Bye, guys.